Hello guys, Invisible Kid here again. This time I'm unboxing the S&M yellow vinyl set. This was limited to 500 pieces worldwide. And instead of making this kind of set on white vinyl like they did on the Garage Shrink, they did it on yellow. And I've seen some pictures of it, and like it looks really good, and I can't wait to see what it looks like in front of me. Well, this is some good packaging. Look at that. Regular catalog thing. A lot of listings, and then we got the set down here. I got another one of these coming. So let's see. Put this away. Boy, what a mess. This one I see doesn't have any stickers. Some of them have a sticker that says yellow, and I've seen them that they put the sticker right here. This one doesn't have any sticker. Oh, look at that. They put it on the bottom, which is pretty cool. So let's open this this guy up. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna get a knife, not a knife, but something else. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got some scissors. Let's make them match here on the side carefully. There we go. Let's take this off. And let's see. I got the only yellow vinyl that I have is this one, the Fame 25, and I got it to compare it to this one and see how different they are. Okay, so we have the inlay, artwork stuff, 3 pages. Pretty cool. Okay. Let's watch this guy. I'm not gonna put my gloves this time. Wow. That looks pretty cool. That looks really good. Pretty cool. Let's pull out the rest of them and see if they are all yellow and that none of them are broken, because last time I got one of them broken and I had to send it back. Pretty cool. And this is one, it's a 6 LP set. Reissue from the original S&M. It has some like marble effect, can you see that? Right there. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm just gonna do this quicker. It's yellow, yes, I'll check them out later. And let's see what else comes with it. That's it. Bubble at the bottom. Okay. And that was the unboxing of Metallica S&M yellow vinyl, limited to 100 pieces worldwide. The price on this stuff was Here it is. 124. And then send the shipping. And I'm gonna pull this one out and compare it and see which one looks better. This one's actually darker. This one's like peace yellow. And this one has more like a green kind of color. See? Well, the camera is not capturing that, but I kind of see it like a bit of it like green. This is real yellow, and then this one is like, well, this is orange actually. Yeah, pretty much. This one has some green tint to it. So that was it, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.